Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy rainy, grey, wet, humid, cold Monday. Yes, it's rubbish, but hey ho, hey ho. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Right, today we are going to be playing with my brand new Easter kit full of fabulous digital papers. I'm a bit late on the show, but I've really spent the last couple of weeks trying to perfection the kit, and I think I wasted too much time. But anyway, the kit is there now. It's available to everybody to purchase and to have a play with. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. Happy Monday. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. I am recording this on a Friday. If you watch my Friday freebie, I gave you a little cheeky sneak peek of this kit. On that video, I was telling you that it took me forever because I wasn't happy with some of these gold pages. Hence why I'm very delayed with publishing the Easter kit this year. But I'm very sorry guys, but if you wish to purchase it, it's live on the website now. So yeah, what I wasn't really happy with, it was this metallic. Now, when you work with, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Photoshop. Once you create layers and you start messing about with the finishing with the metallic, you either have, and I don't know how can I explain this to you guys. When you play with metallic colors, you either get a really bland finish that is very dull, it's very plain. It's not like shiny gold like this one is. So in real life, this is a shiny gold, but it's so almost impossible to achieve on a computer because the pigmentation of the yellow, you need to start getting different shades of yellow to get that proper finish. So it took me a very long time. So, but I got there eventually. So this kit is, there's a lot of gold, there's a lot of pastel colors, and it's very cheerful, and this is exactly what I wanted to do. So one page is full of eggs, so you guys can simply fussy cut it if you wanted to. Put some ribbons and use them as hanging decoration. I know that a lot of you have an Easter tree, because you shared a couple of pictures last year on my Facebook group, and I saw it, I was like, oh wow. Then I got a page full of tags and some embellishment with some doilies. Again, you can fussy cut them. You can either put your initial for your kits if you gift them to somebody. Then I got 3 silhouettes. So you got 3 Easter bunny with 3 different shades. And then they can be used, there is a hole there. So you can use it as a tags, or you can use it as an embellishment, or you can pull out gift bags or gift boxes and put these on top. Or what we're going to do today, we're going to use them as gift bags, but I'll show you how we're going to do it. Another page with 3 different very big eggs. Now those eggs are, sorry about that, they measure, in fact, let me tell you in inches first. They, well, if you include the bow, they about 5.5 by 3.5 inches, which in centimeters it is 14 with a bow by 9. So they're very large eggs. What you can do, guys, when you print this page, depends on the settings of your printer. You can tell the printer that you want to print this page into 2 pages. So the printer will automatically shrink this page and scale it into 2 halves. So you get exactly the same eggs, but half of the size. Don't ask me how to do it, guys, because every printer's got different settings. But just have a look, Google it, and see how you can achieve that, printing the same page twice and scale it in half. I got you here a bag. Very simple. You just simply, in fact, yeah, you just simply cut it and then put it up. Okay, then you have these eggs. Again, they're slightly smaller than and this is exactly what I meant. So you see here, guys, when you create the shades of metallic gold, you got to use a lot of white and green, a lot of white and yellow pigmentations to achieve that sort of metallic shading. But I'm happy now. So Then you got, of course, it wouldn't be my kit without a milk carton box. Love it. And then I'm giving you a full background, so you can even use this, guys, as gift wrap. Why not? So you can just cut it and wrap your presents. Love these. This is probably my favorite page of the entire kit. It's the wooden slices. I just put some floral and some animals. Of course, there's some chickens. There are some little rabbits. Super cute. Look at chicks. Oh, super cute. And then the last page, which is another one of my favorite, is metallic gold and purple and blues and violet. I love these. This egg, I'm not exaggerating, it took me about an hour. 1 hour. So considering the price of this kit, I'm basically giving it away. Okay, so let me do a couple of projects and I will come back and show you guys. But today we're going to be making this little cute box. You can probably see it better this way. And it stand on his own. Well, he was standing earlier. Come on, stand. Stand. Guys, it did stand, I promise you. Anyway, it's a gift box. It's pink, but today we're going to do one in yellow. And inside, there are some pink chocolate chocolate eggs. So I picked this one from M&S. This is a solid milk chocolate eggs. And the reason why I picked it, because it's a bit frugal, but they have yellow, golden yellow, blue yellow, turquoise yellow, and pink yellow. Guys, I can't speak English today. I'll say that again. The reason why I picked them, because they have metallic yellow, metallic blue, and metallic turquoise, and metallic pink. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so bear with me. And of course, because we want things to match, metallic pink with pink, and I put the egg on top. So what I did, guys, one of these eggs, I put it into a pink cardstock. I glued it, and then we glued that on top of the box, or the lid of the box, so it opens like that. Now, if you do this as a table setting, you can put the name of your guest, or if you gift this to somebody, you can either add the name of the guest on the name of the recipient on the box. These boxes here are so easy to make, and also they basically take just one sheet of A4, international A4. Now, for lovely craft from overseas, let me just zoom out a tiny bit. That's it, so you can see it. So for you guys, we're working in A4, which is 11 and a bit by 8 and a bit, can't remember. But you guys, yours is slightly wider. But as you can see, this is the rectangle that we're going to use today. So you get 2 boxes out of one sheet, and you're just going to get some of this waste. Okay, so it's literally like you get 2 out of one sheet. So the piece that you need, measure 6 1/4 by 5 1/2. Okay, so let me get my scoring tool. Favorite scoring tool of the planet. So on the long side, we need to do some scoring. So on the 6 1/4 side, you got to score it at 3/4 inch. At 2 3/4 inch, 3 1/2, and 5 1/2. Okay, then you rotate it on the shorter side. So on the 5 1/2 side, you just score it at 3/4 inch and 4 3/4. Okay. Sorry about that noise. And then you basically get this shape. Now, because my cardstock is not very heavy, you don't really need a heavy cardstock for this project, because once you put the chocolate eggs inside, they will give it quite a weight. And to be fair, there is not many of them inside anyway, so you don't really need an extra thick cardstock. So if you put your piece of the piece of paper or cardstock, actually cardstock that we have, you see there are 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see them? 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. So what we need to do, we need to cut straight line on the rectangular. You see this rectangular there, so you just simply cut it on the score line, and then we wedge it into the square. So we're just going to put the glue inside the tabs. I need to hurry up because it's 7 minutes and I've not done anything. So glue that there and there, and then we're going to do the same on the other side and the same on the lid. Okay, I'm just going to do it off camera, so for the speed point of view. And then I cut and glue the egg into a yellow cardstock, and then we're going to glue that on top of the lid. So for the speedy point of view, use the box that we already made. I just simply glue some, I put some glue in there. And you just simply position the egg on top. Now you see there is air bubbles there. They will dry. So dry there. I know you can still see on camera, but they will dry. So once that is fully dry, oh, it's so annoying because it did stay up. It doesn't want to play. Okay, so you get 2 really nice gift boxes, and then we're just going to put the yellow eggs. So how many you can fit? Somehow I got in my hand. So it's 3, 6, 9. I think you could put more, but because I want them to match. So you got 9. Is that 9 in here as well? I guess so. 3, 6, 9, yeah. And there you have your boxes. Okay guys, then I ended up putting the little banner in there. I have used, oops, what's going on in there? Oh, perfect. Yeah, on both of them I just put the little Easter matching sentiment. I have used 2 tags, in fact, let me zoom out. Why so zoomed in? No idea. This is the You Are Inspiring. It's a very, very old Stampin' Up stamp I just got on eBay. This is says Happy Easter, and I have used the daffodils to create this card. So this sentiment here on the boxes is this one, and I also used this another very old Stampin' Up stand I had in my collection, which is called the Honeycomb Happiness. Just have a look. As you guys know, if you follow me regularly, you know how much I am obsessed with Stampin' Up stamps. I love them, but sometimes I really cannot justify the full price, so I hunt eBay for some bargains, and those 2 were 2 of the recent bargains. Although I had this for a couple of years, I must admit. This only got here a couple of months ago, not long. So what I did, I simply used the paper background, which it's, do you remember the page with the paper? This is what I got left. So yeah, you don't have to use the page with the papers or the gift boxes as they've been designed to. You can use that as a background if you wanted to. And this is exactly what I meant. And yeah, so I created this little card. So the front and back has got the bag. I used the daffodils. Just a little tip. Sometimes when I want some colors to pop up, like the daffodils, I've used my highlighters, my Stabilo, to color them in, because I want the colors to really, really stand out. And then I just stamp and fussy cut the chick and the Happy Easter. And I put some of the, where are they? Have I got them in here? I got them from the works. Oh, there they are. My colourful feathers. So super cute. Very simple card, guys, and I think the feathers give it that extra colors, pastel color, that it blends with everything. So they're gonna go to my parents-in-law, so Jamie's mum and dad. Just a little gift from us, just to wish them happy Easter. So I'm just gonna put a white piece of cardstock in there, and just we're gonna sign a little message. What do you guys think? I think, you know, these Easter kits that you see them online, they're fabulous to create your Easter craft. But don't forget, you don't have to do things as they're meant designed to be. So use your creations and imagination to do things in a slightly different way, because those eggs are perfect for, you know, decorations, but you can use them in front of boxes. Okay, as usual, guys, you find this kit, I will put the link down below. It's only going to be available for like a week or 10 days. I will take it down after Easter Monday. I don't really like seasonal products to be on the website, because next year I will do something a bit different. So get it until it's available on the website, because I will take it down. Before we go, I just want to say a big thank you and shout out today goes to the lovely Alice. Alice, always take a time to leave a thumbs up and always reply, leave a lovely comments on my channel. And Alice put it on one of the recent video. I showed you the several on my kit have got the milk carton. Even this is the kit, it's got one, because I love them. I love designing milk cartons, and I also love making it up. And she suggested this would be amazing. Of course, not this exact one because it's very seasonal, but other kits you can use it as an advent calendar to put all the goodies together and put the number outside. I think it's a really clever idea. I might do that this year. So thank you, Alice, for the great suggestion. And the kit, I will put the kit's link down below. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a chocolate egg thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video, because you're telling YouTube that you like what I make. There is a playlist here on my channel, so if you're looking for more Easter inspiration or any more craft project, I will put the link somewhere here. Don't know where, depends. So click on it, it will take you straight into that playlist. Guys, I will see you on Wednesday. I wish you a fabulous rest of the day or night, depends what time you're watching. And until then, stay safe and well. Bye.